Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with a final video of the latest project that I had been working on. And this is that bathroom renovation. So basically, here's the fixtures that went in. That's the sliding shower head bar with the grab bar. Here's the niche. Here's the tub faucet that I put in, individual controlled tub faucet. Even though that right here, this diverter could have controlled it. Tile work is finished, as you can see. The only thing left is the window, but it hasn't come in yet. Here's the platform. Also, came out really nice. Here's the vanity that they purchased. That right there matches what's on the shower stall. Big mirror that I put back over there. Here's the light fixture above the mirror. The medicine cabinet. You can see walls, baseboard, all done, complete. Here's that little, what do you call, access door for the shut-off valves for the hot and cold for this bathroom. And here's the toilet, all installed. Toilet paper holder right there. Everything is steel braided lines. And here's the door, complete. All the way down to include the molding. Everything's done. I'm going to show you underneath the oh, there we go. So there's the plumbing all connected. These lines came with the faucet set. This is the only thing I purchased with those little cover plates. Had to modify that. That's a 45-degree angle right there to make it line up with the sink drain. So there you go, guys. The finish of this latest bathroom project. As always, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, take care. Bye.